Loving kindness. Is there anything more important in the entire world than love and kindness? Compassion? Well, that's kind of the same thing. Either way, love and kindness are more important than money, than wealth, than fame, than pretty much anything. Problem is, you don't always feel loving. You don't always feel kind. Many of us suffer from anger and other problems. So, what do you do about that? How do you reduce those negative emotions while boosting positive emotions like love and kindness? Well, thankfully, there's a Buddhist meditation technique called loving kindness meditation. And as you can guess, this meditation technique is all about creating the mental states of love and kindness. When you do love and kindness meditation, you develop love and kindness and compassion for everyone, not just for your family, not just for your friends. With loving kindness, you feel loving and kind and compassionate for absolutely everybody. And at the same time, you also feel the love of the universe towards you. Now, this is far more than just a positive, idealistic state. Science has proven that loving kindness meditation is incredibly important for your mind and for your body, for your health, and for your well being. Just by spending 10 minutes a day doing this one meditation technique, you'll see massive benefits in your health and well being. I'm going to show you in just a minute how to do this technique and guide you through the process. But first of all, let me share with you just a few of the many benefits that you're going to get out of love and kindness meditation. Now, I am totally reading this off my screen because I've written a massive article on this, so just bear with me a minute. Bear with me a minute. So, first of all, loving kindness meditation is gonna completely destroy any stress that you feel in your life. We all get stressed, right? What are you stressed about at the moment? There's probably something. There's probably something not quite right. Something that's a little bit of a problem. Something that's making you worried. Something that's making you not feel that good. What do you do about it? Well, you can meditate. And one of the best ways to meditate is with loving kindness meditation. Science shows that because of the positive mental states that loving kindness produces, it will massively reduce the symptoms of stress and of worry and all those other negatives that we all experience in our day to day lives. So that's one thing. Number two, this one's a big one for me, by the way. Loving kindness meditation will make you feel more positively connected to other people around you. In other words, more social, more warmly connected, more, wow, words fail me. You're gonna feel a positive connection to the other people in your life, and not just friends and family, but other people, people who irritate you, like your neighbors, people who perhaps you don't even like that much sometimes, like your boss. You're gonna feel a positive connection to all these people. Another benefit, a really fascinating benefit that science has proven actually, is that loving kindness meditation makes people less racist and less prejudiced. Can you imagine if everyone did this technique? So let's start doing it now. How do you do loving kindness meditation, otherwise called Metta meditation from the Buddhism? How do you do it? Now, close your eyes. I'm going to do this with you. Close your eyes and take 10 deep breaths through your mouth. Keep breathing. Focus on your breath. If any thoughts come up, just remind yourself this is just a thought. It's just a thought. Let the thoughts go. Let your mind be clear, empty, like the most crystalline waters. That's how your mind should be. Now, we begin loving kindness by extending love and kindness to ourselves. So, with your eyes closed, imagine yourself happy. See yourself smiling. Feel that positive emotions, that happiness. Can you see yourself happy and feeling great? Now, say to yourself, may I have loving kindness. May I have strength, peace, love, and success. May I also have the strength to overcome any obstacles in my life. Say that about yourself and think it and believe it. May I have love and kindness. Now, next, repeat the same process with somebody whom you feel very close to. So, for instance, your spouse. If you've got a husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, say the same thing to them. Close your eyes and say, may they, use their name, but may they have love and kindness. May they have strength, peace, and success and love. May they also have the strength to overcome any obstacles in their life. Now imagine that person, your spouse, your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, or whomever it is that you've done this for. Imagine them saying the same thing to you. See them, feel them, sending that love and kindness back to you. Next, we're going to move on to somebody else whom we're close to. Maybe not quite as close as husband or wife. Maybe a brother or sister, a cousin, a close friend. Repeat the same process. May they have love and kindness, and repeat the same script. May they have strength, peace, love, and success. May they also have the strength to overcome any obstacles in their life. See them happy. Imagine sending them love and feel them sending that back to you. Imagine them saying those same words back to you. Now, to continue loving kindness, we go through more people, more and more. We begin with the people whom we're closest to, our family, our close friends. Next, we move on to the people whom we are close with, but not as close as family. So, friends, colleagues, acquaintances. Then we move on to neutral people, people who we know, but we don't really feel either way about. And then we say it about people whom we struggle to get along with. And this is massively important. This is massively important. In fact, this is more important than sending love and kindness to your family. Now, obviously, family is number one, but for this meditation technique, your mind is going to develop more by you sending love to people who you struggle to get along with than it is by you sending love to your family. Because you already send love to your family, right? You already every single day wish the best for your family and friends, and you probably go out of your way to try and make them happy. But you don't do that for the people who you don't get along with. And you should, because it's incredibly beneficial for your mind. And that's why at this stage of loving kindness, of metta, meditation, we extend love and kindness to people whom we struggle to get along with. And that expands the amount of love and kindness and compassion in your mind. It also removes anger and enmity and hatred, because you're taking those people whom you normally feel negatively about, you normally feel angry about them, or resentful, or whatever it is. You normally have a negative emotion associated to those people. But now it's time to replace that negative emotion with positivity, with love, with kindness, with compassion. And that's going to completely redefine your mind, because you're removing those negative emotional states and injecting positive ones. And to finish loving kindness meditation, you repeat with yourself once again, because self-love is the key. If you love yourself, you'll love the universe. If you love yourself, you will love the universe. And that's why you repeat with yourself, may I have loving kindness. May I have strength, love, kindness, and peace. And may I have the strength to cope with any struggles that I experience in my life. By doing this one meditation technique, you're going to produce heightened levels of love, compassion, and kindness for everybody and for yourself. And you're going to massively increase your self-love, which is huge. Try this technique 10 minutes a day for 1 week and comment afterwards how much of a difference this technique has made for you, because I promise you it is going to have a profound impact on your psychological makeup, on your emotional welfare. And that's loving kindness meditation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, vote up and remember to subscribe, because I'm going to produce more videos like this one to teach you all different kinds of meditation, all different kinds of techniques to make you feel great about being you. Thanks for watching.